Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SimpsonsInu token. Now this token just finished a huge pre-sale. They're going to get some central exchange listings soon on some huge central exchanges. Now this token is available also on a decentralized exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well, so they set their soft cap kind of low at 50 BNB, and they ended up selling 659.8 BNB worth of tokens for a very successful pre-sale. SimpsonsInu, all one word, is the name of the, is the ticker symbol for this token. The name of the token is the Simpsons Inu. So you don't get this confused with all the other Simpsons tokens that exist out there, because there is a lot. I was going to do a video on a token called Simpsons BART token, and already their webpage and Twitter and everything is deleted right after their successful pre-sale. So be aware of these scam tokens out there too that are rug pulling people and everything like that. But this one is talking about being listed on a bunch of central exchanges. They have a full audit here, so you could check out their full cyberscope audit. That's on PinkSale. They had 943 different investors contribute to this pre-sale here. So it says they are going to be listed soon on some big central exchanges like Gate, Bitmart, and MEXC Global. So They also are listed right now on their own swap. So now that the pre-sale is over, if you want to get this token, you head over to their official webpage, thesimpsonsinu.com. Over there in the top right-hand corner of the page, it says Buy SimpsonsInu. And if you click on that, it'll take you over to swap.thesimpsonsinu.com, where you can connect your wallet and you can trade your BNB for the SimpsonsInu token, just like you would on PancakeSwap. Now, I'm sure this token is going over to PancakeSwap as well, but those are a few different ways to get this tokens. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, that's a really good exchange. I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. This token will be listed on there as well, according to PinkSale here. So they're going to have massive global marketing. And so they're partnering with other big projects like Doge CEO and others. And these are confirmed listings, MEXC, Global, Gate, and Bitmart. So that's really cool. They're also doing a CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX tools trending. Now they have on their Twitter, if you go over to @thesimpsons_inu, they just joined in May 2023, 2,423 followers already, 62 tweets. Their latest tweet, their pinned tweet here, says, "We hereby, SimpsonsInu team, confirmed that we have officially submitted our application to CoinMarketCap." And they have their ticket number there that you could check out. So they will be on CoinMarketCap very soon. They show like the PooCoin chart on their page here. Lots of Simpsons memes, of course. All sorts of cool stuff on here. So check it out now. There is 9 decimal places on this token. And let's see here. There is a total supply here, a very weird number. That's 1,416,183 billion and some change. And it says they will be going over to PancakeSwap now that the pre-sale is over. You'll be able to get it there, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. Now they do have a token metrics pie chart here. It says 51% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 24.74% of the tokens go to liquidity. Then we have 12.63% of the tokens going to MEXC Global and Bitmart. Then we have 12% of the tokens going to Gate, LBANK, and BKEX. So there's some more central exchanges there. And then we got 1.31% of the tokens get burnt. Now, Simpsons tokens are very popular these days. That's why this pre-sale did so well. That's why they're getting so many central exchange listings. The HOMER token, if you have not seen my video on the HOMER token, that one did over 60,000% in the green. So, I mean, they did very well. They have all their partners here listed on their webpage: DexView, DexScreener, DexTools, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, PinkSale, LBank, MEXC, Bitmart, Gate, etc. They have their own dashboard, the SimpsonsInu dashboard, their own swap that I mentioned where you can get the token, SimpsonsInu swap. And they actually have a link to PancakeSwap on their page as well, and the contract address right above that on the SimpsonsInu.com. Join the SimpsonsInu community and take part in special events, focused campaigns, and let's ride to the moon together. So the SimpsonsInu is a brand new Binance Smart Chain project for 2023 that focuses on bringing the latest developmental dApps, as well as being a great meme focused on a great community-focused token. Together with our dev knowledge and our strong community backing, we can take SimpsonsInu to new heights. So they have a staking platform coming soon where you can stake the tokens. That's what the dashboard's for. Users with a predetermined amount of SimpsonsInu tokens will be able to pool stake their dust tokens. Once a certain amount of these tokens are pooled, SimpsonsInu will sell those tokens and distribute the BNB. So the SimpsonsInu wallet is also coming soon where you could trade crypto on there. Now it says the SimpsonsInu wallet will allow you to swap, trade, and send any token across the crypto network and allow in-app trading. You'll be able to add, withdraw, and buy tokens in any recognized currency with an extremely low stable conversion fee. And they say join us on Telegram and Twitter. Now, if you are going to buy or sell this token from a decentralized exchange, buy and sell tax is 9%. 3% of that is reflections. 5% goes to marketing and development. 1% buyback and burn. So they do have a full white paper as well you could check out. Roadmap just talks about same things I just mentioned when they're coming out with the wallet, central exchange listings, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, marketing, that type of stuff. And then they have contact emails at the bottom of their page. So if you get this off MEXC Global later, you won't have to set slippage so high, like 10% because of those taxes. So that's a benefit of getting it off MEXC Global. Like I said, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, check out the referral codes in the description box. That's where this token will be listed. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And make sure you like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.